I am an advocate of figuring out how to overbook appropriately, meaning if I build a schedule and we have to be mindful, are we scheduling to a daily goal? And if we know that we're an average dental practice and our cancellations and no-shows are going to be 20 to 30%, it's so hard. If I know 20 to 30% is automatically going to fall off of the calendar or the schedule, can I overbook enough to try to have a productive day? But that sometimes is really tough, especially for if you don't have enough operatories. And so I think that it's a matter of knowing your metrics well, having a really strong confirmation protocol, making sure that you're communicating with your patients well, and figuring out what is the balance of maybe doing a little bit of overbooking to make sure that we have a good healthy day, because once the day is gone, we can't always make that up. And so it's just so hard because we live in a world where there are a lot of cancellations and no-shows, and we do our best to minimize those. But how can you build a schedule that the practice is still going to win at the end of the day? Because if we have a very light schedule and then we lose 30% of that every day, it doesn't take long before 1 month turns into two, and then it gets harder to make payroll. So I think that it's just a balance of having a very well trained team that even if two people show up at the same time, how is the dental assistant going to go run and grab that patient and do, the x-rays or the blood pressure, or what can they do to help that hygienist make sure and take care of that patient? Can the doctor step in and help and maybe do the exam early? So the team has to be bought into the idea and understand the economics behind it. And we have to prioritize patient experience and sometimes just jump in and manage it the best that we can. So it's not perfect, but I think I heard Sandy Pardue, she always has these great analogies, say that the schedule is like a newborn baby and it has to be like nurtured and cared for all day, every day. And that we wish the schedule we could set it and forget it, and we just can't.
Love it.